Pangasinan is the country's third most populous province with a land area of 536,818 hectares. A gateway to northern Luzon, Pangasinan is home to natural and man-made wonders. Situated along the historic Lingayen Gulf, Pangasinan has a long coastline that is dotted with breathtaking sceneries. Among the most visited beach areas in Pangasinan at present are the San Fabian Beach, Bunuan Tondaligan Beach in Dagupan, Bolo Beach, and the 100 Islands beaches in Alaminos, Patar Beach in Bolinao, and Lingayen Beach. Previously unheralded pristine beaches have started to beckon beachgoers like the Tondol White Beach in Anda, Surit Beach in Bani, Calibra Islands in Dasol, and the Tambobong White Sand Beach in Dasol. Aside from its seawaters and seashores, Pangasinan is home to enchanting caves, refreshing waterfalls, tranquil rivers, verdant hills, and majestic mountains. Indeed, Pangasinan is the best place to be for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Beyond its natural wonders, Pangasinan offers pilgrimage sites and historical churches for miracles and spiritual journey. The first Catholic Mass in the country was held at the site of the St. James Church in Bolinao. Pangasinan is also home to varied gastronomic delights. Among its well-known native foods and delicacies are bagoong, bangus, puto, bukayo, longganisa, patupat, tupig, and many others. Pangasinan is the home to great music played by its fiesta orchestras that have originated and have been popularized in Pangasinan. And the Province Drum and Bugle Corps that have consistently won national drum and bugle competitions. Aside from time-honored celebration of Pistay Dayat or Sea Festival that culminates yearly on May 1, Pangasinan celebrate with euphoric blaze other well-known festivals like the Bangus Festival, lahat tayo magsama-sama. Mango Bamboo Festival, Gali Kayo Festivals, Pandan Festival, and many more. The administration of Governor Amado T. Espino Jr., which started on July 2007, put premium importance on the tourism development of Pangasinan to set standard of excellence in attracting tourists. Governor Espino renovated the Capitol building and all buildings and parks inside the Capitol complex, as well as all properties of the provincial government throughout Pangasinan. The government properties are now the premier tourist destinations. which brought back civic pride for the local folks as well as for those who have returned home in Pangasinan. It has purchased 6 ecotourism buses and 1 coaster intended for organized tourism and educational tours to the province. Come and feel the warmth and hospitality of Pangasinan.